What we're looking at is an amazing site that Safety Zone has discovered in Burlington. It appears as if this is a remote-controlled lawnmower, and it's doing its routine quite capably by itself throughout the front lawn. This is absolutely amazing. It knows when to back up, knows when to turn, knows when to turn left, turn right, and it's doing an amazing, efficient job. One wonders if it's powered by gas, diesel, electricity, or what. This is absolutely amazing. Now watch what it does next. It actually stops. Then it goes forward. This is quite the sight. This is absolutely amazing. Wow. I definitely want one of these toys for my house. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look, see its efficiency at which it moves? Look at it go. Stops for no person. This is absolutely thrilling. Well, Father's Day is coming up, so all you fathers, this is what you want. You will definitely want one of these for Father's Day. So all you mothers, buy your fathers a Father's Day gift just like this one. Notice how it just stopped? Knew exactly when to stop. This is so amazing. Look at that. Super efficiency. Wow. I am so impressed with this amazing invention. Now it's coming for me, but I'm not going to get out of the way because I think it's going to stop. If I don't move, it could cut me to pieces. But notice how it stopped? This is absolutely amazing. Just love it. Oh, this is so efficient. I could watch this all day long. Now I decided to do a left turn there. Wow. I love it. I love it. I love it.